Good afternoon, students. We are studying velocity time graph. Here is the table that is giving information about velocity and time. At the time 1 second, velocity is 5 meter per second. Time equal to 2 second, velocity is 10 meter per second. Time equal to 3 second, velocity is 15 meter per second. In this way, t equal to 4, v equal to 20, 5, 25. Okay. We have to draw the distance time, velocity time graph. We have to plot velocity time graph from this table. We have to take velocity on positive y-axis and time on positive x-axis. So we are taking the time on positive x-axis, velocity on the positive y-axis. Units are essential to write here. We have to write velocity unit meter per second, that is given here. Time unit second. So write this is necessary. This is the point of origin. This is the point of origin. Here the time equal to 0 and velocity equal to 0. So it is written 0, 0. At the time equal to 1 second, the velocity is 5 meter per second. So the time intercept to 1 second here, we have to match with velocity intercept 5 meter per second. 2 with 10, 3 with 15, and 4 with 20, 5 with 25. By matching time intercept with the velocity intercept according to this table, 1 to 5, 2 to 10, 3 to 5, 15, 4 to 20, 5 to 25. We are getting velocity time graph. If acceleration is constant, the velocity time graph will be a straight line. So we are getting here the velocity time graph as a straight line. So it is the uniformly accelerated motion. It is the constant acceleration. We are finding acceleration at the different point of time. We are getting acceleration at a time t equal to 1 second. At the time t is equal to 1 second, velocity is 5 meter per second. So the velocity will be v upon t, 5 meter per second square. In this way, at t equal to 2 second, v equal to 10 meter per second. So a will be 10 divided by 2, 5 meter per second. In the same way, at a time equal to 3 second, v equal to 15 meter per second, a equal to 5 meter per second. In the same way, a equal to acceleration equal to 5 meter per second square at time 4 second and time 5 second. So it is a constant accelerated motion. Means acceleration एक समान दर से बढ़ रहा है. मीन्स वी कैन से वेलोसिटी में जो परिवर्तन हो रहा है वो प्रति सेकंड 5 मीटर पर सेकंड पॉजिटिवली हो रहा है. इन दिस कंडीशन acceleration means when the motion is uniformly accelerated motion, In this condition, acceleration will be equal to slope of the curve. Slope of the curve means this angle. In this triangle OBC, the slope of the curve equal to tan theta, this angle, and the tan theta is equal to height upon base. Tan theta is it is the formula that tan theta, that is the slope of the curve, will be equal to height upon the base. Okay, so in triangle OBC, the slope of the curve will be BC upon OC, BC equal to 5 the height, and OC equal to base 1. So acceleration equal to 5 meter per second square.